Sandico is willing to testify on our behalf doon sa graft and corruption issue at sa lahat na nalaman niyang bigay ng pera, maging yung pag-aayos ng budget, hindi ang program allocation.
Na pinapa-insert ng mga projects ang Pangulo na worth 50 billion pesos. Naging malinaw sa akin na siya mismo ang nag-utos kila Secretary Mina Pangandaman at Yusek Adrian Bersamin ang gusto niya ng 50 billion pesos na insertion. Ngunit ang sagot ng Pangulo, humingi ka ng bago or dagdag na insertions. Hindi lang po ang Pangulo ang may insertion sa budget. Pati po si Congressman Sandro Marcos.
Pursuant to the people ahead of you, the Secretary General is not around, not authorized to receive.
It is the office of the Secretary General.
How about the
Secretary
deputy?
General?
First deputy. Deputy Secretary.
Sir, I'm the Executive Director. I am the next elected.
Yes.
So you should receive. You should receive.
Itagay sa police numbers. Itagay sa police impeachment. It's the deputy will receive.
Yes.
Respectfully. Okay, I'm not here to argue.
Yes.
I am just relaying.
Impeach Marcos now! Impeach! Impeach! Impeach Marcos now! Impeach! Impeach!
So Congressman Sandico, yes, he is willing to be a witness. Kung hindi man siya napayagan sa Blue Ribbon Committee na mag-zoom, and we have done that, alam niyo kung yan, under suspended rules, pinapayagan natin yan. Kung magagawa ito sa impeachment at naniniwala silang dapat malaman ang katotohanan, at siyempre bigyan din ang pagkakataon ng Presidente